Okay, this one's wild. Temu quietly dropped a secret promo code that gives you up to $300 off instantly, and almost nobody knows about it. They didn't post it publicly, it's buried under a seasonal bundle page, but with one trick, you can unlock it right now before they pull it again. So here's how this hidden Temu promo works. Step 1, click the first link in the description. That link goes to Temu's active promo campaign. Once it opens, you'll land on a special Mega Bundle banner, but don't scroll past it. Tap it. Step 2, enter the secret code you'll see on screen or in the pinned comment. The second you do, Temu's system automatically adds $300 worth of coupons to your account. Step 3, go to checkout and watch your total drop like crazy. I tested this just 3 days ago with a regular account. Total cart value around $420. After applying the promo bundle, it came down to $89. That's over 75% off. And it wasn't limited to one category. I used it for clothing, home gadgets, even tech accessories. This hidden offer only works through that seasonal entry page, and Temu deletes it once a limit of users is reached. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They search Temu promo code 2025 on Google, click random websites full of expired codes, and end up wasting time. Don't do that. Temu's algorithm tracks link engagement, so once a hidden code page reaches its limit, it disappears completely. That's why you'll only find the working 2025 promo code updated in my description. Also, pro tip, open the link in Temu app, not desktop browser. It loads the coupon stack instantly inside your wallet. So yeah, that's the real Temu promo code for 2025, and if you're lucky, it'll still be live when you're watching this. Go grab it right now before Temu resets it again. Click the first link below, enter the code, and watch your discount explode. If it worked, drop a comment saying, "Code worked." I'll reply with a secret bonus promo I'm testing next week. Because in 2025, these hidden Temu offers are gold. You just need to know where to look.